going to be lovely. We're just doing this for fun. Kids, you can do this at home. Just ask your parents first, okay? Everybody, welcome Amanda Clark. Okay, hi Amanda. Okay, she's gonna teach us how to make cupcakes. Because I don't know how, and my producers think that I need somebody to teach me how to make cupcakes. Because this is my show or anything. It's not just a cooking show on television, and I don't know how to make cupcakes, but that's okay.
Making cupcakes is very easy. You just get some cake mix, and then you put it in cups.
So easy, in fact, that a child could do it, but I can't do it alone on my television show. I need a guest star to come on and teach me how to do it. Isn't that funny?
The directions, in fact, are on the box.
Yes, they're on the box. Anybody can read them and do this
The
themselves.
ingredients would be 1 1/3 cups water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 3 large, not small, eggs.
I have all of these things in my kitchen. I don't even need somebody to go to the store for me. I can do that myself too. Okay, producers, I can do this by myself. No offense, Amanda. I love you, but let's just get going. I can do this. Am I allowed to do this by myself? Do you want to do it?
I've already done those. So.
All of those?
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna do everything else.
All right. Do you know the method of?
There's a method now? What, is there a method for putting the cupcake batter into the cupcake holders? I'm just wondering.
You have to do it just a little bit past half. And I like to use an ice cream scoop.
Is this sanitary? I'm just wondering. I'm gonna do it.
You know, there are raw eggs in that mix.
Well,
Kids, I wouldn't advise that you do that at home.
do it.
You'll get sick.
It's delicious. I gotta feel sick.
Okay, now you try.
Can I do it now?
Yeah, just try.
Wondering. See if I can.
Yeah.
I took 12 years of cooking school and you don't think I can scoop cake batter into a cake holder?
Do you make cupcakes?
I made cupcakes. I made cupcakes for 12 years. That's what I did. I took cupcake school. That's where I went to. It's called the Academy of Cupcakes. That's how well informed I am of cupcake making. Is that okay? Is that fine? I hope that's okay with you.
Yeah. Yeah, you're doing great.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm really glad that you approve. I'm really glad that you approve of me. This is just my show. Can we cut to a commercial break, please? I don't want to deal with this. Are you going to take over my show?
No.
I'm turning off the cameras. She doesn't get more airtime than me.